Talking about glass air fryers.
What are you cooking?
People wanting options with non-toxic coatings. So they might choose an air fryer with a glass container as opposed to a non-stick cooking drawer. So we have the Dream air fryer and the Ninja air fryer. They're quite similar in appearance. So we're just doing a little bit of a comparison. The glass ones are just a low tox alternative, and they're also got good viewing around the outside so you can watch your food cook. And then they're also quite easy to clean as well. They cook much similar to your regular air fryers. So they've got the heating element and the fan in the top. So you're just wanting to layer your food mostly in like a single layer. Depending on what you're cooking, you might want to turn it over halfway to promote even cooking. Got a bit of airflow that flows from underneath, and they've got a like a crisping plate on the inside as well. This one is stainless steel in the Dream air fryer, and the Ninja one has that non-stick coating, but it's minimalized with the glass container. They have 4 modes to choose from. Each mode has a set temperature setting, so you're only able to increase or reduce the time for your cooking. It's no secret that a lot of people are probably cooking frozen chips in their air fryers, so that's one of the tests that we conduct here at Choice. We just use the McCain Super Fries straight cut. I don't know if you can include that in there, to be honest. So now they're all finished, you want to pop on your oven mitts. These containers can get really hot and may heat to over 100 degrees, depending on the heat temperature that you're using. Remove the lids, and then we just assess how well the chips are browned, how even they are, and how crispy they are. You want to eat them? If you're looking to replace your current air fryer that has a non-stick coating, then these are a good choice to go with. Spoiler alert, one is a little bit cheaper. Head to the Choice website to check out our latest review on air fryers.